Hello everyone, let's make 20% lactic acid exfoliating body lotion. As you have requested, I am here to answer your call. Okay, to make this, you need a lotion base, a thick lotion base or cream base. Next, you need lactic acid solution. I am using 80% lactic acid solution in this video. Next, you need fragrance and preservative. The fragrance is optional. If you don't want, you can leave it out. If you don't know how to calculate your base and solution, comment under this video and I will send you the calculator link. Okay? Next, the lotion you are using, the base you are using must not contain carbomer. So make sure your lotion does not contain carbomer so that it doesn't break down. Next, we are going to be adding the solution onto the base gradually. I will advise you to use a homemade cream or lotion base. If you don't have one, we sell it on our website. You can get a cream base that doesn't contain carbomer on our website. Then next, we add the fragrance and preservative to the base also. Do not use a base that contains carbomer, please. I am saying this because some people complain that when they make their lactic acid lotion, it turns into water. It's because you are using a base that contains carbomer. Use a natural homemade base that doesn't contain carbomer and that is very thick like so. So we're going to start mixing this lotion. We start by breaking it down, mixing it. Okay, I am done mixing, but it's not smooth, so we're going to transfer it onto our mixer so that it comes out smooth. If you don't have a mixer like this, you can use your stick blender to do this, okay? Blend it until it comes out smooth. Okay, I'm done mixing it here. You can see how smooth it is now. It is looking smooth, as you can see. If your lotion is not as smooth as so, it's not ready. You keep mixing it until it comes out very smooth, okay? I'm going to be leaving the list and measurement of the ingredients I use in this video in the description box, so make sure you check it out, okay? So after that, we're going to go ahead to measure the pH. Remember, in exfoliating lotion, pH is very important. It doesn't matter the quantity of the solution you add. What matters is the pH. The lower the pH, the better it does its work. So we are trying to get 2 to 2.5 pH here, and that is what we got, 2.5 pH level. So after that, I'm going to transfer it into a container, and this is the cap. You can use any cap you like to cover it. And hey guys, congratulations, you just made yourself an exfoliating body lotion that actually works. This video is for beginners, okay? That's why I use a base so that you can be able to make your own lactic acid lotion to exfoliate your body. All right, see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.